How to fix if direct message option is not showing up on TikTok. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open settings. Click on search button on top right corner of your screen and search apps. You'll find apps and notifications pop up. Click on apps and notifications. In here, click on TikTok. You'll find permissions, which is the second option. Click on permissions. And make sure permission is allowed to camera, files and media and microphone. Then simply go back and then click on storage and cache. Clear cache and clear storage. After that, simply open TikTok. Your problem should be fixed, and if it does not solve your problem, go to 3 lines on top right corner of your screen. Then click on settings and privacy. In here, scroll down till you find report a problem. Click on report a problem. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on interactions. In interactions, you'll find direct message. Click on direct message. And click on direct messaging is no longer available. Simply click on no. Click on need more help. And in here, you can simply type in your report. After you've typed in your report, TikTok will be back with you soon. And this is how to fix if TikTok direct message option is not showing up. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.